Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is the Beko condenser dryer DRCS68W. I've got some damp laundry in it. I want to give it a test cycle. I've cleaned the filter, I've cleaned the condenser, done that in a different video. If you want to check it out, do that. Close the door. The fault with this machine was that the filter capacitor over here had exploded. So I've just bypassed that. I've got a new one on order and it'll come in the post. And what I've done is I've just taped live to live, neutral to neutral, so there's no suppressor, and I've replaced the suppressor so that we get earth on the machine in case of a fault, because I don't really like running it without it. I did it a little bit just to check that it was working. So let's turn it on. We get some lights and let's turn off the buzzer. Let's turn it on. Let's see what it sounds like. Maybe let's put it to Cotton's ready to wear and let's see if the machine can do its work. It doesn't have a countdown timer, but it does just tell you how it's going. And what I want to check really from this operation, I've already checked that the motor turns and that the heater works. So I just want to check that the pump works and that we're getting condensation happening and that the thing's going to dry. So let's press start. We're off to the races. There won't be anything to see until the end. If I see it dripping here, I'll try and make a video of that. Other than that, I'll come back to it when it's done. There it is. I caught it. It's pumping out. It's pumping up. That's it. All done. Not much to see really, but it does work. So we had it set to ready to wear, and now it says clean filter, water tank full, and end. So let's see. Yeah, that's pretty dry. I'm happy with that. That's gotten stuck in the door. Let's have a look at the filter. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's okay. No, that's little label stuck on there. Get rid of that. Okay, I'll clean that out, and let's have a look up here in the tank. It says empty it. Maybe it always says empty it out after a cycle. Like, it's certainly not full. Put half a litre in there, it's nothing really. That's just for the fun of it. I don't think there'll be anything down here, but let's have a look in the condenser. Might be something in there. No, it's still very clean. There's a bit of water in there though, and there's probably water down the bottom too, in the sump. So all in all, that's a success, I reckon. That's the Beko DRCS68W. I'll put up another video of replacing the suppressor whenever it comes in the post. Let's turn it off. I didn't hear it beep actually. Strange. Okay, I don't know if that's on or off. There you go. Any comments, leave them below. Any questions? Thanks for watching. See you later.